Hello my friends, this is Hani Amiri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. In this video I have picked up this interesting personality development information from BestifyMe app. I hope you'll enjoy it. Today I'm gonna speak about the reasons why helping other people will make you live better. Humanity is the best gift that we can give to other fellow humans and animals. There is also a Chinese saying in this regard: if you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help somebody. After all, happiness is found in helping others. However, helping others isn't limited to these grand gestures. It can be done every day. While helping others, it is important to understand that your act of helping others can help yourself. Helping others doesn't need to be a selfless act, as it is also helps you make your life better, and the fact is also backed by science. Helping others makes you happier. One of the main things about helping others is that it gives you the inner peace of satisfaction, thus increasing your level of happiness. According to a study conducted, helping others without any feeling of getting something in return increases the level of happiness in the individuals. It makes you happier than most other things we consider mood boosters. In short, helping others releases endorphins, which is responsible for improving mood and boosting self-esteem. Karma goes both ways. We all know that karma is a process where good or bad things come to you in return. For example, if you do something good for others, you are likely to receive help from others too. Similarly, if you do bad to others, bad will come and find you. According to the believers, there is an interconnected universe that rewards good or bad deeds. There is something to be said about how helping others change your perspective. In simple words, helping others makes you feel proud and better, resulting in the likelihood that your next experience will be a positive one. You become part of a community. Humans are social animals, which means we must help each other to enjoy a happier lifestyle. Together with a good lifestyle and purposeful job, we all can enhance the experience of others living in the community, and we all become active participants in the positive activities. After all, every person has to be part of a community, or at least to feel like he is. By helping others, we all form relationships that are meaningful and stronger than anything else. Helping others has a physical effect too. According to a study, those helping others are likely to have balanced blood pressure. That is because doing good things for others gives signals to your brain, which triggers a positive response, which goes to every cell of your body, making you feel happier and healthier from the inside. Some researchers have also proven that doing good without expecting anything from anyone in return has beneficial effect on your body. You find the meaning of your life. Without having a purpose in life, there is no benefit of living as a human being. And helping others help us all find the real meaning of life. And it's not just for those already found purpose giving back. Helping others can also help create a sense of meaning in our lives. It helps us connect with others and see how our actions make a positive difference in the lives of others. The idea of helping others and meaningful life is a rather old one. It's good for your profession. When you do something good, people notice it. Of course, it may not be the reason you help out, but people are always watching what you are doing to others. Even the simplest gesture can make an awesome impression on the others. You can also take it as positive publicity as your brand or your image is promoted. And the final words, whether you are an individual or a group of people, helping others in the act that will not only have a positive impact on your inner peace and calm, it also gives you the strength to live a healthier and happier life, but also connects you to the other human beings, giving a meaning to your reason of being on the earth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you very soon. Bye.